Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have for you another video in our So Easy series, and this time I'm going to show you how to make a fabric gift bag, and we will be using the new collection by Jessica Swift called Rain or Shine. Inspired by the rain-filled, puddle-jumping walks through the neighborhood, Jessica Swift takes you along on a magical adventure with her kids through her illustrations of darling boots, playful frogs, and cheerful rainbows. Using these fabrics to make a gift bag was the perfect quick and easy project to showcase these prints, and these gift bags can be used again and again. For this project, we will be using the prints Sunscatter Bright and Frog Song Evening. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more happy sewing content. Here is what you will need. One 14-inch by 22-inch piece of Frog Song Evening, one 14-inch by 22-inch piece of Sunscatter Bright, one 14-inch by 22-inch piece of medium weight interfacing, one 14-inch by 22-inch piece of iron-on vinyl, a matching button, and 4 inches of 1/4-inch elastic, scissors, pins, and a fabric pen. All the fabric requirements will also be listed in the description box below. First, iron your interfacing onto the wrong side of Frog Song Evening. Then, following the manufacturer's instructions, iron your vinyl onto the right side of Sunscatter Bright. Next, fold your 2 pieces in half right sides together and draw a box in each folded corner that is 2 inches in and 1 3/4 inches down. Cut on the lines you drew and unfold your pieces. Fold your elastic in half and pin it to the right side of your exterior, in the middle, lining up the raw edges of the elastic with the raw edge of the fabric. Place your interior on top of your exterior, right sides together, and sew the top and bottom together at 1/4 inch. Next, align the sewn edges and match your seams, pinning in place. Sew down the 2 long edges, leaving an opening in the lining to turn right side out. Make sure your opening is at least 4 to 5 inches wide, since the vinyl makes the fabric stiffer. For each of the 4 corners, align the side seam with the bottom fold and stitch at 1/4 inch. Turn your bag right side out and sew your opening closed. You can use a hand stitch or machine stitch like I did here, since it is in the lining and not in the exterior. Top stitch around the opening of the bag and hand sew your button on the exterior about 6 inches down from the top, on the opposite side the elastic is on. And your gift bag is complete! These are perfect for any gifts you give, and you can add a little tag to the elastic. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy sewing everyone!